If you want your Google Ads campaigns to perform at their best, understanding ad extensions is essential. Ad extensions are additional pieces of information that appear alongside your standard ad text. They can increase your ad's visibility, make it more engaging, and help potential customers take action without extra clicks. According to Google Ads documentation and insights from digital marketing experts, using ad extensions correctly can significantly boost click-through rates, improve ad relevance, and enhance overall campaign performance. There are several types of ad extensions, each serving a specific purpose. Sitelink extensions allow you to link directly to specific pages on your website, such as a product page or a contact form. Callout extensions highlight key selling points or promotions, like free shipping or 24/7 customer support, which can make your ad more compelling. Structured snippet extensions showcase particular aspects of your products or services, such as features, waterproof, lightweight, durable. Other important extensions include call extensions, which let users click to call your business directly from the ad, perfect for mobile users. Location extensions display your business address and a map link, helping local customers find you easily. Price extensions and promotion extensions allow you to highlight pricing or special deals directly in the ad, making it more likely that users will engage. Google Ads experts note that combining multiple complementary extensions is one of the most effective strategies to enhance ad performance. To master ad extensions, you should analyze performance data regularly. Google Ads provides metrics for each extension, so you can see which ones increase clicks, conversions, and overall ROI. Test different combinations, remove underperforming extensions, and refine messaging to match your audience's intent. Mobile compatibility is also key. Some extensions perform better on mobile devices than on desktop, so always test across platforms. In short, Google Ads ad extensions are powerful tools that give your ads more visibility, functionality, and engagement. By understanding the types available, site links, callouts, structured snippets, calls, locations, prices, and promotions, and optimizing them based on performance, you can maximize your campaign's effectiveness. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand ad extensions, like, subscribe for more Google Ads tips, and comment below which extension you're planning to use first in your campaigns.